Hello and welcome. Good morning. Another great day. So this is our class 021. It's about Google Classroom project. So let's start from the beginning and we continue how to open Google Classroom in your browser. So you can use Google Chrome, just like if you want to change the account, you go here and whatever the account you want to use to browse your browser. Nowadays browser has multiple account feature. You can add another account and log in as that account. So now open Google, straightforward. Okay, so here I suppose I should log in into Google, something that is not here. So what I would do, okay, it's here actually. So sign in again and okay, so I have opened my Google account, and from this 9 dot, my nose is blocked actually. I cannot speak properly because of my nose block, but anyway, so this is 9 dot. If you see here, you will be able to see the Google Classroom somewhere around. If you have not opened for a long time, you may have to browse further, but okay, anyway, if you see this symbol, it's a classroom. And then you don't worry about too many things I have. You might not have if you are very new to Google Classroom. You will have this left what is called menu, buttons, classes, calendar, and then to review, archived, class, and settings. So these many things, and on the right side you will have account access option. Again, 9 dot to access the Google other product, and this plus is important. This is actually where you create new class or join existing class. That is someone's other than you is actually having that class and you want to join, then you come here. And then calendar is if you have some planned scheduled classes that you can view here. Okay, so what we should do now, we go to classes and then click this button, then create a class or join class. So now we will create a class, okay, and name it Classroom project. Okay, instead we will tell it is Google Classroom project. Section 1 intro. Okay, subject anyway, how to create Google Classroom project. Is it okay? Okay, so room number, anything you have. Right now I put enter 1 and create. Now it's creating the Google Classroom. And okay, so our classroom project is already created, and we have this classroom project, subject intro, class code. This is the code you give to others who wish to attend this class, or you send this link to if you want video meeting. Okay, so now on top we have 4 different tabs. If you see, this is a stream where live chatting can be done. It's like broadcasting. So you can choose the student, to a particular student if you want to send the message, or you can change the class from within here to send the message. For example, I want to send the same message to multiple classes, so I select this and this, okay, and this classroom. So 3 classes I have selected, and then all student I select hi, this message for 3 classes. Okay, just to make a demo and then post. So this message will go to all 3 classes and broadcast to all the students. And if you want to make it nicer, you can upload photo or choose the theme you like, and let's choose this one. Okay, and then Classwork is important place where all the classwork documents like assessment, quiz, question, and material, everything is really created within this Classwork. So for example, I want to create an assignment. Let's say classroom assignment 1. This is to be done by next week, maybe 15th 18th May. Okay, so something now here again you can choose specific students and then do this, add this assignment to multiple classes and then choose the number of mark here, due date when it's to be done, choose the date, due date is 18, and topic, if we want to add topic here, create a topic, we give something like Google Classroom. Rubric is kind of marks allocation into different category of questions or subject within the classroom. So if you have history class, and history class has kind of introduction, how you do introduce into subject, and then how you remember the dates properly in the name of the characters, and places of historical importance, and then your methodology of describing the historical facts and so on and so forth. So it's a breaking down into pieces of subject. That's rubrics. You can actually import into different sheet, and then plagiarism check, originality check. Also, you can do this like this one. You can enable originality report on 5 assignment per class. That's enough. Okay, so now if we wish to create a document, attach a document into this, we can also do that. For example, we want to create a document that says some more details about the assessment. Google, sorry. Okay, so this maybe just for testing, I would like to place it here. Now you close this one, and okay, now we are going to assign this to all the students. Now right now we don't have any students, so how we can do that? We simply assign all students for the moment, and then we go to people and we add student. Right now I am the teacher of this account, so this is my teacher's account. I want to add a student, so go here, and for example I want to name this is another my own email ID, so I give it here just for testing. I would like to give my own email address, then maybe another account, KB this one. So 2 students I have added. Let's invite them into class. Okay, so invitation is sent, and we can also do some action here like email and remove. If you want to remove some students, you can do that. If you remove this, then if you email this, then my own Gmail account will open, and we can email to someone, and by default CC to this. Email from Google Classroom. Okay, send. Now go to mailbox. Let's first check the Gmail, and go to send folder, and we see we have sent email to 2 email account. These are actually students, so the same email should be received by students. Now go to the students account. One is this one, and then this email from Google Classroom. So we have received the email, and BCC is my name. The other student name is not here. It's smartly removed. Okay, so you see there was not much within the email when we sent. So same email we have received. Now let's go to the other account and see the email again. So we have received the email in both account. Now go to the invitation. The previous invitation we did from within our class. This invitation, when we create, we type the email address and invite. Okay, or you can simply copy this invitation link and send email. That also can be done, but simply you can type a email address and invite. So if you invite from here, you will get the email something like this one. Khairul Khair at 5times.co.in invited you to the classroom project intro. Okay, so I can actually join directly from here. This is another account. Remember, I have multiple account. So this is student account. I am joining as a student. Okay, okay, so I got my own Google Classroom project in my student account. So remember, this is student and this is the teacher account. Okay, teacher account has domain and student account has no domain. You see, Gmail is a standard account. So let's go to the message. This is the message directed to all the students. I received the message, and then assignment. I also got the assignment. Click assignment, and you see the document and the description of the assignment and the due date May 18. So everything that is set up within the classwork is received by a student. Now go to classroom again and see the student. Okay, view the assignment. One is assigned because the one student has accepted and joined the class. So let's go to the another student account and join from there. Join. Okay, this is student account, remember. Okay, so student also able to join the same class, and this student also received the message from the teacher and a assignment. So assignment, everything, the description, attachment and the due date is received by a student. Now go to the teacher's account, classroom. So this is assigned already. Okay, now go to refresh this one. Okay, 2 already assigned. So I got 2 as students. So both of them have same because both account email address is belonging to me, but email are different. If you see the email, cannot see here. So let's open here. uh, actually I cannot see email. Possibly this is how it is. There is no way that I can get the email address right from within the Google Classroom. But you can see the images are different, and I showed you the steps how you got into this. So this is one khairul.bashar@gmail.com. This is one the kb.bestofme@gmail.com. So both the students now have assigned the assessment, and they can do the execute the assessment from within their classroom. So now as the assessment is assigned, we can do some class comment as comment. You can write here answer to the assessment is that blah blah blah, and you can write something like this from this is k.b. This is one student. Okay, I sent the comment, so this comment should go to the classroom assignment 1. Other students should not be able to see it, only teacher will be able to see it. So go to here, answer to the assessment is that from KB. So this is one student commenting into the assessment, and this let's go to the another student. This is another student. So sorry, the comment from other students is also coming into the section of other students. So that means the comments from all the students can be visible by all other students. So it's an open broadcast, and it's a common chat section, you can say. So this is a good discovery. And now we have time to reply to the assessment. So let's go to this student and add some document into it. And for example, I would like to add some paragraph. Assessment of engineering control. Remember, we have plagiarism check, so let's copy the same thing from one student and see. So open the document, paste it here. This is from k.b. So this is title, for example. Okay, enter the answer. This is assessment. So then we just simply close it. Okay, originality report run. If we run this, because no other student submitted the assessment, this might not get too much problem. Let's see, but yet it is available in the internet, so it might be able to catch the originality. Now the report is available, created. This is the time 5:21. If you open the originality report, yes, it got highlighted. So everything got highlighted, and percentage 83% flagged content, 15 cited or quoted content. So that means it has a very powerful plagiarism check, and it is actually able to find the internet website for copy paste data. So it has actually caught the oshwiki.eu 65% from this website. Obviously we have just copied from this, and let's just close this document, and then from other student account we create the same document, similar document, and paste the same information there as well. Create the document. This is, let's say, best of me, the student name. Okay, and paste the same paragraph and save it, and then close it. Now from within the second classroom assignment, we run the originality, and the originality tool is running. 74% complete. Okay, so now it's done. We can open the originality report, and it's the same. Okay, you see, percentage 83% blank content, 15 cited coded content. Okay, so this is good that Google Classroom also has this ability to check the plagiarism and find the originality of the assessment. This turn in, if we now turn in attachment, one attachment will be submitted for classroom assignment 1. So this turn in is after checking the plagiarism. If the report is okay and you satisfied, and then you turn in to submit the assessment. So this is like you're done. Finally you have submitted the document. Even though there is one option button to unsubmit and redo your work, it's better that you do full and final and then turn in. So good, that attachment is turned in, and we can go to the teacher's account and see who sent what. So one is turned in, obviously, another is assigned. So we go to first we go to this turn in document, handed in. So this is turned in document, handed in. Who has handed in? This one, best of me. Okay, so we go here and check the best of me document. Okay, view originality report. So you got pop-up to check the originality report. We go to this, and you see on the right side 5 flagged passages. See the history, handed in, and 525 assigned. So it has a status, how it is progressing. We go to the originality report to see what is there. 83%, 15% cited or coded documents. So this is totally flagged content, so we give some mark that is very poor marks. Okay, only 2 out of 100. Okay, if we want to return instead of giving marks, we can actually return the assessment to student and ask for redoing the assessment. So we can send a private comment here. Please remove plagiarism. I always mistake this spelling, plagiarism. Sorry about that. Then return. So the please remove plagiarism. This is the current status, and the status changed to assigned again. We go to students and see something should be changed now. So your work assigned, this one, and let's refresh this. Something is okay. So here I got a private comment, please remove plagiarism. So now I have the document assigned, redo. I can change something in the document, and let's say I loved the places around the city and blah blah blah. I submit. So this is my, after removing the plagiarism, I close it and check the originality. I'm not. I suppose. Okay, so it is changed now. Create, run originality again. Okay, so originality report expires on this 20 June 27. So this is green, and no match found means this is original document, and we can turn in again. So turn in, go to teacher's document, classroom, and refresh in case it is not updated. So now this time it should be able to get assigned again, handed in. So it's a handed in now. Status is changed. So now we can open this document, and now teacher is opening this document from the teacher's account, and we love it. Okay, no flagged passages. So great. You can mark something like 89%. Done. Saving. Not returned. Another student can follow the same steps. Remove the plagiarism, check everything, and then turn in, run originality. If you find some flagged item, remove that, and then do your best, turn in. So once you turn in, you will it will go to your teacher, and it will change to hand in status. Now it is assigned. Okay, so it is turned in. So this should now change here to turn in. Okay, so now it is turned in, right? And that's all, because it has plagiarism, so many things. So we give just 20 marks and saving. Not returned. Okay, and after all the students are done with the marking, and then you can do something like this. Google, copy all the marks to Google Sheet. So let's open this one, and we will see a nice table. with all the students and their subject and marks, and so on. So now classroom project intro, open classroom, and then 18 May is the due date. 100 total marks. This is the name of the students, email address, and marks is not actually important. Why? Download. Okay, so something is wrong. The marks is not coming, and I have to see that. Anyway, hope you liked my go through the Google Classroom and you understand how to use it. Uh, there are a lot of things actually going on in Google Room. Google Room is very powerful in the sense that it can be uh, used to create your own courseware or even website with your own classes in different topics, and you can create your own online school, you can say. Thank you. That's all. In the next day we will do something else. Thank you.